Okay, got another fun little job for a client. This Dell Optiplex traditional hard drive is getting tired. Keeps regenerating its errors and all that great stuff. So we're going to put it in this computer that I use for cloning drives, and we're going to clone the contents of it, if it will allow me, to a new solid state drive. And the user should see great performance improve. Okay, I've got the main drive, the old drive. It is 7 years old. It's done well. I'm going to clone to Samsung QSSD, and I'm going to boot. In this case, I'm going to use Acronis, and you could use like Clonezilla and all that stuff, but for this one, I'm just going to try to clone it straight across using Acronis, which I call Acronis, but everybody says it's wrong. So let's see if we can boot to the disk. Alright, we booted to the Acronis disk. We're going to go to Tools and Utilities, Clone Disk, Automatic Clone Mode, and our source drive is the 500 gigabyte Seagate. Hopefully it will read it. Okay, so it finally accepted the source disk, and we're going to select the target disk, Samsung, and select it. Next. This is going into the other computer, as I mentioned at the beginning. And next. And here's the summary page. This is the solid state before, this is the solid state after. Hopefully it can ignore a few pissy areas of the hard drive and give me a good stable copy over here. So I don't think I'm going to run through the options here. We are just going to hit finish, confirm, proceed. And we'll come back and check on it, see how it's doing. Alright, so it's about 35 minutes. The clone process was successful. We'll drop this into the other machine. Hopefully boot into Windows. Got the solid state mounted into the funky Dell carriage. Plug it in, boot to Windows, off and running. Alright, drive's all mounted in. Computer upgrade, booting up, hopefully. I love the ones that say, keyboard not found, strike F1 to continue. Wait a minute. There is the desktop. So far, cloning process was complete. Upgraded the old 500 gigabyte drive, cloned everything to a 1 terabyte solid state drive. But before doing that, you want to run disk checks. Make sure everything is in order before you do the clone. So that's it. We'll log in, run a couple apps and make sure, and move on.